We're staying on the Kaiserplatz in Schwabing, in Munich. And this is our room. And this is the special shower. Wow! And next to it is a rather large bed, which is very comfortable, and it has giant pillows. Then there's a lamp and a TV and a mirror, and this.
How's that TV work?
I don't think it turns on. This is Dad's bed. Some more pillow. And there's the giant cabinet closet.
It's a wardrobe.
Wardrobe.
It's like the Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe.
Audrey's doing something with the coat hangers. Here's the table where we put stuff and we eat breakfast. Eggs and bread and butter and jam and
What is jam in German?
yum.
Marmelade.
Marmalade.
And what's bread?
I don't remember.
Okay, I'll give you an easier one. What's butter?
Stuck.
Stuck. That's a piece of. What's toast?
Pooping?
Toast.
Toast.
What was your favorite thing for breakfast?
Egg. Tea. Oh, totally.